Good morning. Our next topic is eutrophication. Okay. So, eutrophication means it's a kind of pollution or something that happens to water plants and all. So, we will just I will explain you the steps of eutrophication. You know that farmers will apply fertilizers to the fields. You know what are fertilizers? To get the chemicals that are added, sometimes natural things that are added to the fields to get more crop yield. So, these fertilizers, when the farmers add these fertilizers, some of them will be washed to the nearby water bodies. Okay, so first thing is adding fertilizers to the fields, and then what happens? Washing of these fertilizers to the nearby water bodies. Okay, so when the fertilizers are washed off to the nearby water bodies, you know that it contains a lot of nitrate ions, phosphate ions, all these things which is helping for the plant growth. So the water plants will start growing very fast. So increased growth of water plants and algae. When these plants grow fast, they will cover up the water surface. They cover up the water surface. When they cover up the water surface, the plants that are living under the water will not get sunlight. So they block the sunlight. Blocking sunlight so that the plants living underwater will not do photosynthesis and they will die fast. Blocking sunlight to the bottom. And also, you know, these producers, they will die death of water plants. So, you know, anything which die means what will happen? They will get decomposed. So, the decomposers, they will use the oxygen for their aerobic respiration. Okay. So, decomposers use up oxygen in the water. So what will happen to the oxygen level? There is decreased oxygen level. Decreased oxygen level leads to the death of aquatic animals. Okay, so this is known as eutrophication. So just imagine when the farmers add fertilizers to the soil, because of rain, some of this soil along with the fertilizer will be washed off to the nearby water bodies. Since the fertilizers contain a lot of ions which is helping for the plant growth, the water plants will grow very fast. When they grow very fast, they cover up the surface so that the sunlight cannot reach the bottom, and when they grow fast, they will die also. So when they die, the decomposers, they will use up the oxygen in the water to decompose these dead plants. So they will, since they use up the oxygen, there is decreased level of oxygen in the water, which will lead to the death of aquatic animals. Do you know that the rate of oxygen dissolving into the water will be very slow? It's not like air. You know that water is denser than air. So the rate of oxygen dissolving the water will be very slow. So water contains very less amount of oxygen. Since it is used up by the decomposers, the aquatic animals, so water animals will not get enough oxygen, so they will die. This process is known as eutrophication. Okay, so this is another problem of, like another kind of pollution or problem of pollution, consequence of pollution. Okay.